And the incessant rainfall and gusty wind in Jammu and Kashmir has caused havoc, resulting in the tragic death of 4 individuals. A mother and her 3 children lost their lives after their kacha house collapsed in Riyasi due to a landslide which was triggered by heavy rainfall. They got buried alive on the spot at their home, while 2 others also sustained injuries. The adverse weather conditions have also caused damage to approximately 200 houses and government buildings across the state, with around 100 houses and buildings suffering damage in the Ramban district alone. The situation is being closely monitored and efforts are being made to provide necessary assistance to the affected individuals and restore normalcy in the region. Now, following the glacier collapse in Lahore Spiti, there has been a substantial increase in the flow of the Chenab River. An advisory has been issued for residents in low-lying areas near the river to stay alert for the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway remains closed for the second day due to landslides and heavy rainfall washing away parts of the highway near Tunnel 5. Restoration work is underway to reopen the highway.
देखिए, आज सुबह ही रिपोर्ट आई थी एक बड़े दुखद हादसे में वी लॉस्ट 4 प्रीशियस लाइव्स। स्लाइड आने की वजह से आधी रात में एक घर धंस गया जिसमें 3 बच्चे और एक उनकी मां की मृत्यु हो गई। एसडीएम और तहसीलदार मौके की तरफ चल पड़े हैं। तहसीलदार अभी पहुंच भी गए होंगे, एसडीएम भी पहुंचने वाले हैं। मैंने उनको कहा है जो इंजर्ड हैं उनको बेस्ट पॉसिबल इलाज करवाया जाए, अगर जरूरत पड़ती है तो उनको रियासी भी लाया जाए। जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है, मेरा उस परिवार के प्रति संवेदना है और जो भी पॉसिबल हेल्प होगी तो जरूर दी।